How to turn on or turn off dark mode for gaming hub on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here, open up the gaming hub. Now in gaming hub, I'm going to go back to the main gaming hub homepage. Then tap on the more button at the top. Next, tap on settings. Then in here, tap on dark mode. From the pop-up, you can choose off to use light mode, or you can turn on to use dark mode. After that, you can then tap on the back key to go back to your gaming hub homepage, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.